If you're looking for a little recipe inspiration, we've got you covered. Gina Sunderland joining me from Manitoba Chicken, and you've got a couple great recipes to share with us.
I do, Terry. Well, you know, when it gets a little colder out, the days get shorter, our appetites change, and we start craving those healthy comfort foods.
Yeah.
So I've got two terrific comforting Manitoba chicken recipes to share with everyone. I love these recipes for so many reasons. One, they're delicious, of course. They're very easy to prepare. They use bone-in chicken, so it's also really economical. And I love that you can get them ready the night before and then just pop them in the oven when you get home, or even pop them in the slow cooker.
Ooh, I like that idea.
Yeah.
All right, so what is the first one that we're making?
So we are going to start with our brand new oven-baked barbecue chicken, Terry, and this comes together so quickly. I'm going to have you add a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce to the bowl. Perfect.
Okay.
And we've got about 4 to 6 bone-in chicken breasts. Like I said, bone-in is a little more economical for those families that are watching their food budget. We've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we've got 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Get you to stir that. We've got 3 cloves of fresh garlic. Yum.
Yes, I'm loving these flavors already.
And half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then, secret ingredient in this recipe is a teaspoon and a half of smoked paprika. So you can pop this in the oven and have the taste of barbecued chicken in November.
Love that. I mean, some people are going to be hardy and out at the grill anyway. Not me. I'll be using my oven. But smoked paprika then gives you that flavor, right?
And if you don't have it, use regular. It's still delicious.
Excellent.
And I love actually even putting these in the slow cooker, and you can make pulled chicken with them or bake them in a pan in the oven. Bake for about, 45 to 60 minutes using your oven thermometer, making sure it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You know your chicken's perfectly done. So just pour it over.
Okay.
Yeah.
Easy enough.
Easy, right? So just get that chicken nice and coated with that sauce, and you can just pop that in the fridge for an hour, or you can marinate it overnight. Whoops, we got a little barbecue sauce going on here.
Okay. So, and then it's just into the oven, as you said, or let it marinate, of course, and then into the oven, or if you want to grill it, we've got all the details of that on your website
do that.
as well.
Yeah.
What's this next recipe?
All right, so this favorite recipe is our Hoisin chicken drumsticks. Again, a super easy recipe. You have most of the ingredients right away on hand in your pantry.
The Hoisin.
Yeah, 3 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. Ooh, our favorite ingredient here, fresh ginger, a tablespoon.
Oh my goodness. And this is good for those cold months too. When you get into the cold and flu season, ginger is great for you.
Right, for your immune system.
Absolutely.
Exactly. A teaspoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of our dried garlic powder, and if you like, half a teaspoon of our red chili pepper flakes.
Yes, I like.
Okay, me too. Again, you just pour this over about 12 drumsticks, about 2 pounds. Really economical for families. You can usually get a family pack for under $10, and then simply, again, marinate this, get this coated. It can marinate for as little as 15 minutes, or like I like to do, overnight.
Night before. Make it easy.
Pour it out on your pan, bake it at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes, and away you go. Hoisin chicken drumsticks, top them with a few sesame seeds, add some stir-fried veggies, and dinner is served.
Now, these recipes can be found on your website. Last time around, we introduced everyone to these handy little cookbooks. We've got a new one out now. They just need to find you. You're on social media.
Yeah, we're on social media at Manitoba Chicken and manitobachicken.ca. You can download a copy or message me, and I'd be happy to send you your very own copy.
Love that you're giving us great recipe inspiration. Thanks so much, Gina.
Thanks, Terry.
Brought to you by Manitoba Chicken. Discover delicious and nutritious recipes at manitobachicken.ca.